Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you this new office lookbook, and I went shopping for pants and I decided to get some tops with it. So this is completely different lookbook from my previous lookbook. Here are the heels I'm using. These are from Ross. These are like block heels, broader ones, and like narrower at the front. And this is my first outfit. The top is from H&M and the capri pants are from Macy's, and I love these are so comfy pants. And the bag, I have already have this like video up for this bag. You can see that in the description box. It's an amazing bag. It just added a lighter color. So that was my first outfit, and this is my second outfit. This is kind of too bold for me to wear to office, but I love it. I got so many compliments for this blouse too, and it's amazing, one of its kind. I got it from H&M. And the pants are the like crew pants in same design from Macy's, and you can see the ruffles. These are like made out of net material, and I'm pairing same pair of shoe and bag with each outfit. Then I got this top. This is again from H&M. I love how stylish yet comfortable this is. It's like cotton, and the sleeve design is beautiful. Like you have sleeveless design, but yet it gives you a little bit coverage. And the pants are same pants. I got these pants in two color, a black and a blue. So I'm pairing these two pants with all the tops today. And again, this top is from H&M again. It's like noodle strap top. I paired it with this blazer. It's from Burlington Coat Factory. I bought it long time ago, and I today got chance to wear it, so I'm pairing it with this top and black trousers. I like crop trousers because they give you like longer look. If you are short, you should wear crop top, like crop pants which are like cropped at your ankle. It will give you taller look. And this top is from Zara. It's like their very famous top which has like pearl details at the sleeves. You get it in like two forms, or I think three forms, where you get it buttoned down to, and like this in a top form. I'm pairing it with my 7 jeans. This is like my Friday outfit, so it's a little bit casual, and I have one more option for Friday for you guys, because when I went shopping I bought two casual tops, but the second one you can pair it with the pencil skirt too. So here I'm wearing this top from Gap. You can wear it with a pencil skirt and make it more formal. I'm wearing it in a casual way, and I love it. It's very comfortable. So guys, these were my full week worth clothing. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.